Hello, my friends. We need to be quick about this because guess what? The bundle, also known as the full collection of the top banana Stamp and Die Hard set, are on the website. We added a bundle to give you an extra special discount on top of the flash sale, because if you buy the whole enchilada, you should get a better price, right? So here we go. You are getting this stamp set. You are getting this stamp set. You are getting this die set that includes both of these stamp sets, and you're getting this fun background die set, and dun, 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 3 limited edition stencils. So go to our website right now as fast as you can. Once it's gone forever. If you don't see it on the website, that means it's gone. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.